nag-GM si Ken, gagawa daw siya ng paraan para makaalis doon.
Sino?
O, tignan mo, may putik-putik niya siya.
Hindi na ata ako makakanood ng antok na kasi ako.
Kailangan, Mike.
Just huwag ka mag-alala. Chat? Gagawa ko ng paraan para makaalis. Good night! Salamat sa nakatext ko ngayon. Good night sa mga matutulog na. Next step sa mga hindi ko matutulog. Nood tayo mamaya ng FM. Sa mga hindi pa hinahanap.
Nagpalipat din siya.
Good evening, Hannah.
Changes in my life.
Hindi ko alam.
Ano ba yan? Hindi
Yun
mo
nga,
alam yan?
when you tell me that you
Hindi mo alam yan?
ayun nga gusto ko sa when you tell me that you
Alam yan.
oh, ikaw.
I was not so happy, being lonely, living without you. So afraid, so hard for love in my heart, needed you. Then I look up in the sky, and I'm thinking why, oh why? These are all the many changes in my life. After all the caring and the laughter, no one is like you. I'm not the preacher with a sermon. To live without your love, like the sun that shines above, is the magic of changes in my life. And I'll never forget your love. You and I were meant to be, sweet as rain falling from the sky. You and I, these are all the many changes in my life.
Kasi ba kanta?
Low. To these words I want to give you all our love so true. Don't forget I love you and I need you. I'll always be with you. So just look up in the sky and you'll find why, oh why. These are all the many changes in my life. And I'll never forget your love. You and I, we were meant to be.
Ayos mo, buhay mo.
Sweet as rain falling from the sky. You and I, these are all the many changes in my life. Huwag ka malungkot. Magkakaroon ka din ng pera. Ako na nagsasabi sa'yo. God is good all the time. All the time, God is good.
Ano yung sure ako?
Low. My
Mag-PlayStation naman tayo.
Teka lang, nakakanta pa tayo. All the
Tingnan mo,
many
ko, ha?
changes. These are all the many changes. These are all the many
Pakita, ay!
changes in my
Papakita pa
life.
naman natin yung SpongeBob natin.
Oh, yung SpongeBob namin. Oh, pare-pares kami. Kasi pakita mo
Ay,
yung ano.
kasi kaya nga eh, nakakainis eh.
Nilagay mo na sa marumihan. Nandun nakasabit.
Aray! Bakit ah?
Masakit ba? Masakit ba ka? Masakit ba?
Masakit.
Oh, buti na masakit. Nikki, ayos ka lang, Nikki? Hindi ka ayos? Bakit?
Gago yung DJ.
nakipag-break sa'yo si PJ. Okay.
Lakas ng loob, no?
Ang lakas naman ang loob niya.
Siya pa yun ang...
Bakit kayong dalawa lang dito? Bakit hindi ako kasama?
Eh, wala pa naman tayong picture na tayo.
Tatampo ako.
Mali yung ano, lyrics. And all the stars are holding, you're holding me tonight.